After you connect your online sales channel and accounting system during the initial onboarding flow, you will be able to add additional stores as well as inventory, payment processor, and shipping connections. To add connections, select the Connections tab, which will take you to the area for connecting applications for data syncing and Unify. Unify can only connect to a single accounting system at a time, which was already connected in the initial onboarding flow. Sales channels and inventory and shipping connectors from which Unify needs to download orders can be added here. Let's also talk about subchannels, as they're very important to how Unify downloads and structures data. Subchannels are online channels that are connected exclusively within a master channel, such as a certain marketplace or an inventory or shipping connector. When Unify is connected to the master channel, it will also see all the subchannels contained within it. You can choose whether or not to download data from a particular subchannel. Automation and syncing of sales, expenses, and inventory can also be set up at the subchannel level. If you need to calculate the payment processor fees for your orders in your online sales channels, click on the plus icon to add them. If you need Unify to calculate the merchant costs for shipping orders, those can be connected in this area as well. Thank you for watching.